సో ప్రస్తుతం మనం ఆల్టియస్ టెక్నాలజీ స్టాల్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము 12th ఈవీ ఎక్స్పోలో. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి రాజీవ్ అరోరా గారు ఉన్నారు ఢిల్లీ నుంచి. సో ఎలాంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏంటి అనేది వాళ్ళు మనకి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు.
We have two-wheelers and three-wheelers, all electric obviously, and we have electric cycle also. So this is one of our product which is e-rickshaw, which is used for ferrying passengers. But Telangana government is not yet allowing it. So we have requested Telangana government to allow it. Maybe in another 1 or 2 months they'll allow it. Not in Hyderabad, but the other cities they'll allow. So this is where one driver and 4 passengers. It is run on a sharing mode. So this for end mile connectivity, like from metro to home, from bus stand to home, from train station to home. This is the best thing that can happen to any city. And the speed is low, so no accidents. It's an open vehicle, so for women's safety, for other factors, it's very safe. And the speed is restricted to 25 kilometers by Government of India, so it's more or less same. Then in the same segment we have electric loaders. These are like for up to 300 kgs load. So government has approved for 300 kg. Same speed is less than 25 kilometers. And these are now on the road for last almost 10 years, from 2012. So they are quite safe, and technology has been elevated to the level where these perform well, and now this is a stabilized product. And nowadays you must have heard in the media that Shri Nitin Gadkari ji says that electric vehicle cost should be equal to IC engine cost, so that at the time of buying you don't feel a pinch. So for that we have launched electric bike.
That you are available, or else any other products are also there.
Other we have auto like Bajaj. It's there. We have not bought it here because weight and size is big. So we have auto which can carry 3 or 6 people beside driver. It is a 4,000 watt motor, so it can climb any hill or any terrain is okay for that. And in that same we have loader also, and that you can load more than 1,000 kilos, like more than 1 ton, 1.2 ton up to you can load. So that is also something which is coming to different cities, and people are accepting delivery companies like Amazon, Flipkart. They are using that loader in a bigger way.
So when can we expect these passenger vehicles to travel on Telangana roads?
We discussed with the EV steering committee of Telangana last Friday. They have assured us within maximum 1 month or 2 months they'll give permission. Maybe not in Hyderabad, but the other cities they'll give permission. They said that we'll work on Hyderabad also. So certain roads will be restricted where there is a high speed vehicles or where there is a lot of traffic. But otherwise they'll give permission in Hyderabad also. That's what they said. They said that it'll take some time to give permission in Hyderabad. Yeah, but beyond Hyderabad they'll allow immediately.
సో ఆల్టియస్ టెక్నాలజీస్లో మనకి ప్రతి ఒక్క వెహికల్ దొరుకుతుంది, 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler అండ్ ఆల్సో 4-wheeler కూడా దొరుకుతున్నాయి. సో ప్రైస్ రేంజెస్ చూసాము అండ్ వెహికల్ రేంజెస్ చూసాము. సో ఎవరైనా బై చేయాలనుకుంటే మాత్రం తప్పకుండా ఆల్టియస్ టెక్నాలజీస్లో మంచి వెహికల్స్ అనేది బై చేసుకోండి.